Well, ladies and gentlemen, this could be something quite interesting. I have to admit, this honestly has a lot of potential. But before we get into it, guys, hello, ladies and gentlemen, this is boy Sam from Armada Train here, and today we're going to be jumping into GNUS, Genius Brands International, and this is just a very random stock that I've had an eye on. I mean, it's not been like one of the big ones, like Sensonics, CTRM. It's none of that, right? But it is one that I've had on my radar, but obviously not as high up. And I'm seeing this sort of thing as more of a long-term investment and a long-term buy. Now, before I get into this, guys, thank you everyone who has helped Armada Trading. We are almost at 100 subscribers, and if we're going to hit that today, that'll be absolutely amazing, guys. And I thank you all so much. We're doing this live. We're trying to really make a difference and trying to help people make money. That's the whole point of it. And I hope we help you out in some way, shape or form. And like we say, guys, this is not financial advice. Nothing we say is financial advice. So please take anything we say as a pinch of salt. We are literally university students that, we're just learning as we go. And, if you lot have any tips or advice for me, then please let me know in the comment section down below. And I'll be sure to jump into it. And I'll be able to improve the videos and improve the quality of the videos. So, I see advice and I see, some people call it negative comments. I see it as constructive criticism. So please let me know if you want anything changed in the videos and I can sort of make it around you. Anyway, guys, GNUS, the company profile. So, Genius Brands International Inc., a content and brand management company, creates licenses multimedia content for toddlers to tweens worldwide. The company offers Rainbow Rangers, an animated series about the adventures of 7 magical girls, Llama Llama, an animated series, Space Pop is a musical and fashion-driven animated property. Thomas Edison's Secret Lab, a STEM-based comedy adventure series, and Warren Buffett's Secret Millionaires Club, an animated series for kids. It also develops animated series such as Superhero Kindergarten and Baby Genius. In addition, the company acts as a licensing agent for Llama Llama. It serves various customers and partners, including broadcasters, consumer products licensees, manufacturers, wholesalers, and retailers. The company was formerly known as Pacific Entertainment Corporation and changed its name to Genius Brands International, Inc. in October 2011. Genius Brands International was founded in 2006 and is based in Beverly Hills, California. So that's a quick rundown of the company. Before we even go into the financial composition and the shareholding statistics, I just want to say that any company that's based in rich areas of America are primed to really explode. Like, Beverly Hills is such a lucrative area that honestly, it puts it already in a pretty good position. Now, obviously, that is not financial advice. So, I just thought I'd put that out there, that it's in a very lucrative area, so it could be worth something in the future. So, first and foremost, guys, the shareholding statistics. Now, we actually own 91.67% of the company. Well, we may not own all of it, but we will own a large percentage of this 91.67%. So yet again, as we were with CTRM, we are actually majority shareholders of this company, and we can sort of influence how the share prices are. Now, obviously, BlackRock are in here, who are a hedge funder, but at the end of the day, it doesn't look too bad for us. And, they only own 1.52%. So, there is room for money to be made here. And I'm assuming Andrew Haywood is probably some sort of, CEO of the company or something to do with that. Actually, I could probably find him in company executives. Yeah. So Andy Haywood, Chief Executive Officer and Chairman of the Board of Directors. So that is who owns 4.83% of the company. But we own the majority of this company. So I thought I'd just put out there that this could also lead to why I'm making a video about this and why this could potentially be one stock to look out for. Now, the financial composition, we're going to go to the financial statement real quick, and we're going to go to the cash flow quarterly. Now, this is the interesting thing about this company. right now the cash flow is at its lowest. Now, I know on paper, right, this does not look good. However, if you look a bit deeper into this, right, they have recently acquired, so Genius Brands International completes strategic acquisition of Chiscom Ltd and Chiscom Beacon Media. Once these stations are fully up and transmitting amazing content for them, and you know there's a good amount of advertisements, this company could really excel, honestly. And look, so the cash flow from continuing operating activities is currently down 43.09%, which has a massive influence on the shareholding position of this company. Now, at the moment, we are currently looking at the 15 minutes thing. So, you know, we can only see like probably a week here. However, if we change this, right, to 1 year, right? Oh, wait, what's happened here? Okay, so the yearly thing. So you see, it was all the way up here, and it went down and down and down until we're at this point, right? So now we're at this point, and the company still hasn't folded. It could be possible for this company to, you know, start retracing its steps. Maybe getting back up to the $10 mark. Maybe getting up to a little bit higher and higher and higher. So that is why I sort of made that graph. And as you can see here, guys, there is a very strong level of support developing here. Now, I know it has breached through the level of support a few times that I've created here. However, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 touch points for this level of support. And obviously, every time it is sunk down, it has equally rebounded back just as quickly. So, in my opinion, this is not a worry that it keeps going down, because the amount it's rebounding back up and so quickly is a very promising sign. Now, if we quickly move this graph back a little bit, so if we move over to here, you can see the share prices did go down a fair bit. However, they do occasionally spike up. So this is why I'm saying this could be a good long-term investment, because there is signs of this company growing. Now, take that as you will. Again, not financial advice. I need to keep making that clear, because I have had a few negative comments on my videos saying I'm a liar and stuff. Like I said, I am a university student. I am simply stating what I see and the way I interpret it. You can take it as you will. I am not going to influence your decision whatsoever. And also, guys, the volume right now, you can see the volume does get bought a hell of a lot at certain particular places. Now, you see, it goes up again. But this is always in the pre-market, which is very interesting. It's not really traded much during the day as of recent. So I'm not really sure what to make of this volume chart. But I feel like if this was bought more and the demand was there, this company could start seeing big numbers again, because we influence the share price. And as shareholders of the company, we can make a difference for this company, and we can really make it rocket very quickly, because it's shown signs of it being up at the top anyway. So yeah, that's pretty much all I've got to say about this, guys. And if you look at all their ratios right now, they are at their lowest point and they keep going down right now. So, you know, take that as you will. And yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please remember to hit the like button and subscribe for you. Thank you for watching. This has been Boy Sam from Train. I'll see you in the next video on the channel. In a bit, guys.